Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. This is gonna be so much fun. So there's been a lot of this trend of following so-and-so's makeup tutorial or routine on YouTube. So I asked you guys on Twitter, I was like, is this overdone or should I do it too? Because like, of course I want to partake in like super fun things and it looked fun. But one of you guys recommended that I do a following my first ever tutorial. So I went back 5 years ago and I found my very first few makeup tutorials when I was very first getting into makeup. So, yeah. I am absolutely not the first person to do this. I know she said that a few people have already done it, so I'm not gonna obviously take credit for it. I'll try to find the first person who did this and link them below so they can have credit, of course. So I got really serious about this and I actually ordered like the Mary Kay products I used in that video. Because yes, I used Mary Kay products. I actually remember I got them at like a Mary Kay party. They're actually really good products. So I'm kind of excited to follow my first few tutorials. So I actually found two separate ones for my very first. One of them is a foundation routine and the other one is a smoky eye routine. They were like my very first makeup videos. So we're just gonna follow it exactly. Let's see how good of a job I did. All right, so we're gonna start off with my foundation.
Hi everyone. That's how I say hi. I'm like a little spastic right now because I'm on the
Baby
floor.
Alex.
This is where the best light is. Because I really want you guys to see my face for this. This is going to be a foundation video, how I make my skin look flawless. So, I have a freshly washed face right now.
I am so young, and my voice even sounds like a baby. Oh my god.
And I don't have anything on my skin, which is important for starting out. So after you wash your face, you should always wash your face morning and night, first of all. That's like very important or you're going to age a lot faster. So the first thing I'm using is this. It's called Seriously Shine Free Moisturizer.
So I already went ahead and moisturized my face.
I've read in several magazines and tips that you should do your neck too, because that ages as well, I guess. That's what they say.
Always do your neck.
So
this was before I edited.
Rub it in. You want to make sure it's dry before. Each step you want to make sure it's dry, because if you just pile it on when it's all wet, it's not going to be very productive. And we want to make sure each thing serves their purpose. So with moisturizer, we want to make sure that sets in.
I'm like low-key impressed that I'm this informative. Like I'm actually giving information. You go, baby Alex.
The thing I'm going to introduce is when I had my Mary Kay party, I loved their foundation so much. I ended up buying it because I thought their products were fantastic. And I bought their kit, which came with the primer, the foundation, the brush, and I thought it came with something else. I guess not. Okay, so the first one is the primer. Now that my face feels dry, I'm going to take the primer, and we're not going to use too much because this stuff really spreads.
Okay, not too much.
I'm taking about this much.
I took too much.
This stuff feels absolutely fantastic on your skin. You should always try to start from the middle of your face and work your way out if you can. It's not that easy though. Make sure you get your whole face.
Okay, we're doing our whole face.
So, this stuff feels so smooth on your skin. It just feels like...
This primer actually feels like really, really good. It's like so smooth.
Like dreamy.
It does feel dreamy.
So we want to put that on, let that set, because that's going to keep our makeup lasting long throughout the day. So I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the Mary Kay. They matched my skin for me, which is really hard for me to find. I have a really hard time finding the right foundation that fits my skin.
I'm way tanner in this video than I am right now, so we'll see.
You can always get more, but you can't put it back in the bottle, so take less and add more if you need it.
Take less and add more.
It slid down. I didn't really take that much. It's sliding. So
I put it on the back of my hand.
You guys know I wear glasses and I'm blind. So I'm just going to tap it on.
Tap.
And what I learned from them, took my hair, you should always brush downward because we have hair on our face and we want to make sure that we keep the hair going down so it doesn't stick up. So I'm just gonna really paint it on.
Okay. I actually like totally forgot about that tip. I remember when they told me that at the party, I was like super shook. I was like, that does make sense. Like the little baby hairs on your face, you wanna brush them down. The foundation shockingly looks okay. I thought it was gonna be way too dark. I already don't like this brush though. I haven't used a flat brush in years.
Unfortunately, I have eye makeup on, so I went to class this morning. But I recommend not putting your eye makeup on until after your skin is done.
Okay.
And I use my finger to go around my eye because your brush can't really get into those like little nooks.
Ugh. All right. I hate touching with my fingers. Because it's a little bit dark, the foundation.
Ghosty ghost. Unfortunately, I went tanning after I went to this, so now I am tanner, which results in me having to use bronzer.
Did I say I went tanning?
Yeah, and I used my finger to start.
This must have been around the time I went to prom, because I think I went tanning in a tanning bed like maybe 5 times before prom. This had to be around prom. Wow, that's trippy. So I'm just doing what I was saying to do, brushing it down, blending around my eyes with my finger.
In the nooks and crannies around your nose because your brush can't really get in there.
And I'm using my finger to get in around the nooks and crannies of my nose.
If you're gonna buy foundation, I recommend choosing rather the darker one to buy the lighter one, because you can always, it's better, you know, because you can highlight and contour after that. But you don't really want to, like, you know, be dark and then have to add like a white powder afterwards. It's probably easier to just add a little bronzer or blush, you know.
Oh, she's doing around her eyebrows.
Crannies around my eyebrows.
I really love to say nooks and crannies. Interesting.
And with everything in makeup, it's just super important to blend the hell out of it.
Ooh, you cursing, Alex. You baby.
I look pale as hell right now. I can't believe I went tanning after I got matched for this. I'm really sorry.
Okay. So she's just still blending. She, as in me. This foundation is like pretty good though. Okay, let's see what next.
So now I'm going to take my brush from Target, which I brought from the Sonia Kashuk collection. It's got a nice, like, it's good for stippling. It's like a stippling brush.
A similar one.
And I also bought from e.l.f., which is cheap. Contouring blush and powder kit.
Whoa, am I not setting my face with powder? Uh-oh. Well, I did purchase something very similar from e.l.f. I remember I really loved this when I was younger. The little like contour and like blush and bronzer in one. So I found a similar one from e.l.f. online. But I'm like really shook that I didn't set my face with powder when I was young. And we're not using concealer. Oh my god.
It looks like this. So we're going to take our brush and we're going to dip it into the brown because we're going to contour our cheekbones now.
Oh god.
Suck them in.
Suck them in.
I just want to blend that in.
Do what baby Alex says. Oh girl, that is a lot of bronzer. Oh, other side.
Oh, I am lookless.
Nothing has changed. Baby Alex didn't have much acne.
Press off your brush. You just really want to give it a good old blend. We want this to look as natural as we can.
Natural, girl. Girl!
Oh, we're not all perfectly beautiful by ourselves. I need a new foundation now. Oh my god, it's so depressing.
I am the same. I still sing all the time. What now?
So along with that now, we're going to just take a little bit more, very light, tap it off. We really don't want a lot in there. And we're just going to also, now we're going to go up and do the outer parts of our face, just like this.
Okay.
Just going to take a little bit more. We're going to go up and do the outer parts of our face. That's what we want to, that's what we're contouring here.
Okay. Good girl. Still stressed that we didn't set our face. Still stressed.
Great. That's going to be our finished look, really.
Wait, did we use blush? Did I only use bronzer? I don't think I ever used the blush. Okay. All right. So that is the skin portion. Now we're going to move on to my eye tutorial, my soft romantic smoky eye tutorial.
Cure your need for the beach at cheapcaribbean.com. Side effects may include blurred vision and happy thoughts.
Getting that ad money. The music.
Hi guys, so today I'm here to do a tutorial video for a look that was requested by one of my wonderful Instagram followers. I hope you're watching this and I hope you like it a lot and it helps. When you said that you have your prom coming up, that made me think that, oh my gosh, thank God, February is almost over. I just cannot handle any more winter. If any of you New Englanders are watching, you feel my pain? So this tutorial is very simple. It's
The background music is so loud. Alright, let's get into the tutorial.
From BH Cosmetics. It looks like this.
I used to love BH Cosmetics so much, but I don't have any of their palettes anymore. So I'm just gonna, this is like mostly like a smoky silver look, so I'm gonna use my Naked 2 palette.
Online, I'm just going to be using simple colors. I'm sure you have a palette at home that looks like what we're going to be using.
I do.
We're going to keep it in the silvers today. We're going to be staying up in this region using white and some silvers and a really dark silver / black. We're going to keep this look really romantic and soft. We're not going to do anything hard, as you can see.
My voice sounds like so untainted. It's like, this is like your voice when you're still young and haven't been traumatized by the world yet. It's so soft and delicate. I'm like, oh my god.
So we're going to start out with, on our eye,
Okay.
Urban Decay's Potion Primer. You can use any eye primer you want, but especially for prom, it's really important to use a primer
Okay.
on your eye and your face to keep it going all night long. And you just want to apply this all over your eyelid,
All right.
especially going up as well, not just on the base, because this is going to be going for all of the makeup on your eye,
Okay.
including up under the brow. We'd
Up
like to
under the
apply
brow.
some underneath as well.
Underneath.
I do recommend that because we are going to be putting product under your eye as well. We're going to be
Okay.
starting out with taking a very simple eyeshadow brush, nothing extreme, just a standard flat eyeshadow brush. And we're going to be taking a very light silver, the lightest silver on my palette,
Okay.
up in the right hand corner. And we're just going to apply that to the base of our eyelid.
Okay. Just patting it on the base like I am doing.
The second step that we're going to do is take a white color, and I am using all shimmer colors, by the way. I thought it was very promy to use shimmer colors.
Alright.
And we're going to be placing that in the tear duct of our eye,
A white shimmery
blending
color.
it onto the base of our lid.
Okay.
And also blend underneath as well. We're going to be doing white underneath our eye and transition that into a darker color as well. The
Okay.
next step that we're going to do is we're going to take another eyeshadow brush, but this one is much more stiff. It's very precise for getting into your crease and not getting it too smeary. So you want to
Okay.
make sure you have a very precise, stiff brush for this part.
Stiff
I'm
brush.
taking a darker silver, about a medium tone.
A medium tone dark silver. Okay. That looks
You're
pretty
gonna
good.
put that right on the tip of your brush.
Tip of your
Make
brush.
sure you tap off the excess because it will dust under your eye.
True.
We're going to take this brush and we're going to go right in our crease of our eye.
Okay.
Starting from the outward in. And you're just going to take it and you're just going to follow the natural line that you have. You don't even need to close your eye. Just feel right where that crease is.
Okay.
And kind of start to create the look that you're desiring for
I think mine's not
on the
stiff
outer
enough.
of your eye here.
I think I need a stiffer brush. Mine is too blended. Mine is too blended. All right, I want it to look like this. That's what we're doing.
You're just going to continuously blend that to create the shape that you're looking for. Whether you want an almond shape like this, if you want it to be more circular, do it however you want. You can feel free to drag that into the eye as much as you want. Kind of play with it however you feel that you want to do it. Everybody's different.
All right, I gotta pause it. I gotta do the other eye. I'm creating the almond shape that I thought was so cute. It's so unblended. Oh Lord, this feels so wrong. I've had my eyebrows like pre-done in these videos, so I should probably have had them done first.
Which is in the bottom right hand corner of this palette right here.
Okay, almost black.
And you're going to want to take the exact same brush that you just used.
Okay.
Put a little bit on there. Make sure you tap the excess off unless you have protection.
Protection.
And you're just going to want to tap it right in the corner.
In the corner. Tap, 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 like I'm doing.
And blend that upward.
Blend that.
Just keep blending that into your eye, into the crease, and slightly along the bottom there. You don't want to bring it over too much because you want to keep the center light in your eye and make it pop.
Okay. Tap, 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 tap.
The next step that we're going to be doing is taking a flat brush like this. It's actually a flat eyeliner brush, which is from Sonia Kashuk at Target.
I have that.
I'm going to dip that in the same dark color that we just used.
Okay.
This is great because it's really precise.
Dipping.
And you're going to want to create the same shape that we have over here. If you want to keep it pointed, if you want to keep it more soft and blend it out, that's totally fine. This looks already pretty soft, so I feel like
oh no, are we?
this kind of just pulls it together a little bit.
We are enhancing the almond shape. We are making it even pointier. Oh, queen. Oh no. Baby, what is you doing? I guess I just didn't really know what blending meant.
And we're just gonna follow what we just did. Keeping the same shape on each eye. You can go back with your original first brush and add a little bit of white to the center of your eye.
Okay, I think we need to.
Do a little bit more of the pop. Sometimes you lose that as you're adding in your darker colors. Go back to your flat brush that we just used.
Okay.
To keep this look really soft and romantic, we're not going to be using a liquid
Soft and
eyeliner
romantic.
or pencil or anything like that. I'm just going to be taking this flat top brush with my darkest blackish gray, and I'm just going to use that as an eyeliner to keep it very soft.
Okay.
And follow right along your lash line. I like to pull my eye out a little bit.
Oh no.
The best view.
Don't pull your eye, it's so bad. Oh, I'm pulling it.
And you can follow up
Ugh.
into the line that you created before, into the almond shape. And as you can see, it's very soft, very minimal, and it's nothing too harsh. Take more of that blackish gray on that same brush, and now we're going to follow along our bottom lash line.
Okay.
And I'm just going to line my
the
waterline
right
with
brush?
white to give my eyes more of a big popping look. This is just a personal choice, but afterwards I like to set my white eyeliner, my waterline, with just a very small amount of white.
White on the waterline. Welcome to my favorite thing since I was a baby. I love white eyeliner in the waterline. And smart baby Alex set her waterline with white powder to make it last. Girl, you so smart. I don't know if that's like good for your eye though.
We've done most of the eyeshadow, which is the main part of this look. We're just going to finish off with mascara. I'm going to be using Voluminous by L'Oreal in Carbon Black.
I don't have that. Alright, mascara time. Okay, let's load it up. Load up the mascara. This is a Luke. The sad part is this actually looks just like how I did it back then. The fact that I don't have concealer on under my eyes is actually stressing me out. That foundation's pretty good though. It looks really matte on my skin without powder. So I'm like low-key impressed by that. Alright, so that's the look. This is the look. It's not blended at all. Like even in the video it wasn't blended at all. I'm like almost shook at my lack of blending, and I thought the almond shape was so cool. Maybe it was back in the day. No, I'm not gonna even try to make a justification on that one. So anyway, this was me following my very first few makeup tutorials. Baby Alex didn't have a lot of acne. My acne came later in life, so she didn't have as much to cover. She didn't know about under eye concealer. She clearly didn't care about lipstick. Like, I don't know. This is just it. This is it. I hope you got a good laugh out of this. It's so crazy to look back at old videos. This was really fun and kind of nostalgic. So thank you to whoever recommended this to me on Twitter. I really appreciate it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you got a good laugh. I'll link the original videos down below if you want to watch them. And I'll see you very soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.